In this episode, I discuss the importance of practicing patience and why it is one of the key ingredients to a healthy and long lasting relationship. Let me explain. Relationships bring together two individuals with different backgrounds, personalities, habits, and expectations. And navigating these differences is not always easy. It requires understanding, time, and a willingness to remain calm and committed even during difficult moments. At its core, patience in a relationship means giving your partner the time and space to grow. No one is perfect, and expecting immediate change or constant agreement can place unnecessary strain on any relationship. Patience allows partners to accept each other's flaws while still encouraging personal development. Instead of reacting with frustration or anger, a patient partner chooses empathy and listens with the intent to understand rather than to win an argument. And this approach builds emotional safety, making both individuals feel respected and valued. Now, patience is especially important during conflict. Disagreements are inevitable in any relationship, and how they are handled sometimes depends on whether the relationship strengthens or weakens. Impatience often leads to harsh words, assumptions, and impulsive decisions that can cause long lasting damage. Patience, on the other hand, encourages thoughtful responses and open dialogue. It allows partners to pause, reflect, and address issues calmly, increasing the likelihood of finding solutions that satisfy both sides. Through patience, conflicts become opportunities for growth rather than sources of resentment. Now, trust is another area where patience plays a crucial role. And I made a video about this, and you can see it by clicking right up there. Trust is not built overnight. It develops gradually through consistent actions and honesty. Past experiences, personal insecurities, and previous betrayals may make one partner cautious. Patience allows the other partner to respect this process without pressure or a feeling of defensiveness. By remaining reliable and understanding, patience helps trust to deepen naturally, creating a stronger emotional bond. Additionally, it builds emotional support during challenging times. Life brings stress, loss, and unexpected changes. And partners may not always cope in the same way or at the same pace. A patient partner recognizes that emotional healing is not linear. Offering steady support without rushing to judgment demonstrates a genuine care and commitment. This kind of patience reassures partners that they're not alone, even at their weakest moments. Ultimately, patience in a relationship is an expression of love, and it shows a willingness to prioritize the relationship over momentary frustrations and personal pride. And while it may require effort and self control, its rewards are profound. Relationships rooted in patience tend to be more resilient, compassionate, and deeply connected. By practicing patience, partners create a foundation that allows love to mature, trust to flourish, and the relationship to withstand the challenges of time. And I find that is probably one of the most important aspects of having both parties practice patience in a relationship. My name is James, and I thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe. A thumbs up also goes a long way to helping out the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.